Welcome to episode 2. Today, we are going to learn about using the home screen and dashboard features. Once you are signed in, on the home page, you will find several icons appearing on the map. The blue car button on the right side will tell you the live location of your vehicle. Right below it, the blue phone icon will show you your location, and you can navigate to your car from your location by clicking on the Navigate to Car button below. Check the bottom bar of the dashboard. The live car status icon simply tells you the battery status, fuel status, and the total distance traveled. This feature functions on both engine on and ignition off mode. Go to the dashboard and you will see a menu option on the top left corner of your screen. When you tap on it, you will find the dashboard with all the features like location sharing, geofence, trip summary, driving behavior, alert history, manage alerts, and emergency contacts. On the top left menu, if you tap on the location sharing button, you will find below sharing location with icon. Once you click on the add icon, you can choose from time, meaning, and for how long you wish to share the trip. On the trip button, you can select from either current point or starting point. And on the location, you can simply go ahead and share. After selecting, press the share button. You have the share link in front of you. Now, press the share icon again, and then you will have all the options of the platforms you wish to share on. The trip summary button will give you a detailed report of your trip. That is, the distance traveled in kilometers, the start time, the end time, and the date. By using the filter icon, which is at the bottom right, you can select date and time of your next trip. One important thing, both the location summary and trip summary information can also be seen right at the bottom of the map section on the dashboard. There are two icons dedicated to them. My Report section at the top will give you detailed information on all your previous trips, from short ones to the long ones. To know more about the Suzuki Connect, log on to www.marutisuzuki.com/Suzuki Connect.